Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Google Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to share the Wi-Fi password using this device. So basically it's very easy to do. You just need to open the settings application, then click internet and click on the Wi-Fi network you wanna share. And here click share button. Confirm your pattern lock or your password or your PIN code or your, I don't know what you can confirm. And you have several ways to share the password. So of course it's the QR code, so you can share it using the QR code, so the other person needs to scan this QR code, or you can share it by nearby share, so you can share it to other Android devices. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.